In this video, we will show you what to do if your Galaxy A73 turned off for no apparent reason and would no longer power back on. As long as your phone doesn't show signs of serious physical or liquid damage, this problem can be just due to a minor issue with the firmware, which you can fix by yourself. So the first thing you need to do is the force restart. It's always the most effective solution when it comes to a system crash. To do that, press and hold the volume down button and the power key for 8 seconds. This will always trigger your device to respond and boot up. Once the Samsung logo shows, release both keys and allow your phone to continue the boot process. If you can make it to boot up properly, then the problem is fixed already. However, if this doesn't fix the problem, then it is possible that the battery is all drained. What you need to do next is charge your device for a few minutes and then do the force restart while it's connected to a charger. To do that, plug the charger to a working wall outlet and connect the phone to it using the original charging cable. Regardless of whether the phone shows the charging sign or not, leave it connected to the charger for at least 10 minutes. After that, press and hold the volume down button and the power key for 10 seconds or more. If the logo shows, then release both keys and let the phone boot up. The purpose of these solutions is for you to determine if it's a problem you can fix on your own. However, if the problem persists even after doing these procedures, then it's time to have your phone checked. After all, you can't do anything to a phone that won't turn on and is still under warranty. We hope that this troubleshooting guide can help you. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.